Hi guys, if you're stuck with your music production journey or you're just starting out to make music and don't know how, I will show you some steps that I would follow if I would start now. The first thing that I would do, look around your DAW and get familiar with all these knobs that I have here. In this case I have FL Studio, and I would just browse these knobs and get familiar about the platform that I use, so I don't get confused when I watch some tutorials or anything. But you have just like basic knowledge, you don't even have to know what they do in this point. The second thing is to learn how to make like basic melodies in the piano roll, and you don't have to know anything else, but the piano roll is like the first thing that I would learn. I would just build up some basic melodies, chords and some simple melodies on top of them. So I would have a starting point to build up the song. I would get very good at building melodies and chords. When I have the basic chords, I would study how a track's normal structure is. Like usually they have like intro, like build up and drop and chorus and so on and so forth. I would just build up, get to know the playlist window and build up a basic track based on my melody and use a simple drum loop or something and simple samples to build up a small track out of them. And even though everybody says that samples is cheating, but in the beginning I think it's very important like to know how to even build a track using the playlist window. So here I have just basic chords, like 2 chords and drum loop, and it could be like, here could be like the intro and the build up, so on. After I have built like many songs, like these simple tracks, I would get to know the mixer channel and get those volumes correct and start to know what an EQ is, and just little by little introducing yourself the EQ and how can you make the quality better of your tracks. And some simple effects like reverb are very common in EDM and this kind of music. And yeah, those are the steps that I would follow in the beginning. Just the melodies and the samples, the structure of the song. Don't worry about the quality of the songs. And little by little start introducing the mixer channel. Then the quality gets better when you get more familiar with the shortcuts and effects and the EQs and stuff. But don't worry about it in the beginning and listen to a lot of the genre you want to make. Thanks for watching. This was my first video, so let me know what you want to learn next and I will get better at this video editing and storytelling and stuff. And yeah, leave a comment and subscribe.